Hey, good afternoon. Steve Armstrong at Smith & Associates Real Estate. Today, I am down at our listing at 2848 Bayshore Trails. Townhome, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Behind me, I'm on the back porch. You can kind of see what's going on. I am on the conservation area, which backs up to MacDill Air Force Base. This location is incredible in terms of its proximity to the base, proximity to downtown Tampa. You can walk down this way and you go to a park, Gadsden Park, which has ball fields, walking trails, a little lake to walk around. The trails go through woods. It's beautiful though over there. It's a pretty big park. And then on the other direction, there is a community dock. The community dock includes just a pier to walk out of. You can see MacDill Air Force Base. You can see Hillsborough Bay. Absolutely beautiful. You can fish there. Great place to get away. This is all a gated community. So just give you a clue what you're in store for. Come check it out. We'll be open this weekend. We're going to be open from 11 to 1 on Sunday. And then tomorrow morning, Wednesday, we're going to be open from 9:30 to 11. So it's 2848 Bayshore Trails. Feel free to give me a call if you want some more information. The number is 813-484-5300. Thanks and have a great day.